You've never been to where your dad's from. Oh, Nigeria.
Hey, bud, baby, bugging up your pillow.
Hi beauties and welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kenzey, and as you can tell by the title down below, today's video is gonna get juicy. I had you guys reach out to me on Instagram and send me all of your assumptions about me, and I said nothing's off limits, okay? I just wanted to go ahead and sit down, twist up my hair so that I don't gotta deal with it this week, and I figured I might as well answer your assumptions while I sit here and do that. So if you are interested in seeing some of the ruthless assumptions people make about me, definitely be sure to keep on watching, and without further ado, let's get into it. All of the products that I'm going to be using are going to be listed down in the description box if you're curious. This is the jojoba oil and ukuba butter. It's the braid up conditioning gel with carrot seed oil from Shea Moisture. I've used this one other time, but I don't really know if I liked it or not. This isn't going to be a tutorial, and I'm literally just throwing a bunch of twists into my hair just because I'm lazy and I don't feel like doing my hair for the next week. But if you are interested in a tutorial, give this video a thumbs up and of course comment down below. The first assumption is that I don't have a lot of friends. That's rude. No, but you're not wrong. Like, I don't have a lot of close friends. I have one best friend that I've been best friends with for 10 years. She's my everything. Her name's Donisha. But outside of that, I really don't have a lot of friends. I have a lot of acquaintances, but actual friends per se, nah. I think it's just mostly because I move around a lot. I'm real bad at keeping in touch with people and responding to people, and I feel like that's the Aquarius in me. Like, that's literally the number one thing I feel like I need to work on about myself, is the fact that I do not keep in touch with people. Oh, I like this one. You have a bachelor's degree in self-confidence and a minor in Bitch, what? You have a bachelor's degree in self-confidence and a minor in body positivity. And I like that, girl. Yes! I don't necessarily have a bachelor's degree in self-confidence by any means, but I've definitely maybe got an associate's or something like that. I'm not a master of self-confidence by any means, but it's definitely a daily journey to try and get to that point where I am super self-confident and just walk in a room like, yes, I'm that bitch, okay? Okay, here's a really good one. It says, you like to stay low-key and you're a self-improvement junkie. Girl, you know me so well. Yes, that's me all the way to a T. I'm definitely a like, my favorite type of books are like self-help books, and I love doing things to push myself to be the best version of myself that I can possibly be. I'm a huge advocate for doing things to push yourself out of your comfort zone so that you can learn and grow and be a better version of yourself than you were the day before. And I definitely want to emphasize on the fact that we should aim to be the best versions of ourselves, not somebody else, not somebody else's idea of who we should be. I feel like everybody is placed on earth for a reason. Everybody has a purpose. And so as long as you are striving to be a better version of yourself, you will one day, if you haven't already, find what your purpose is here on earth. That was real deep, damn. I feel like there was a second part to that question, hold on. And I like to stay low key. Excuse me, oh my gosh. I definitely like to stay low key. Damn, this is a real loaded question, y'all. What's the most heartbreaking thing you experienced, and how did you grow from it? Almost a question that kind of like I could make a whole video on, honestly. What was the question? I think the most heartbreaking thing that I've ever experienced is basically just seeing a real ugly and dark side of somebody who I thought I knew. I'm so grateful and I'm so thankful for everything that I experienced, because I came out stronger, I learned very valuable lessons, and I got clarity. What else y'all think about me? So 2 different people assumed that I got money. Hell to no, hell to no. But I will one day. Mark my words, y'all. One day I'm gonna have money and I'm gonna live in a high-rise apartment with floor-to-ceiling windows and plants all over the place, okay? Oh, bitch, that's cute. Okay, bitch. Oh, that's cute. I should have been doing that. Hold on. Honestly, this is supposed to be an assumptions video and it's all over the place, y'all. I ain't shit. I know. Sorry. I know. I noticed. I really do assume that you're shy but good at hiding it. But like, am I shy, bitch? I don't think I'm shy. Maybe I am. No, I don't think I'm shy necessarily. I think that it just depends on the people that I'm around, if I vibe with them or not. Sometimes I feel like I'm shy, but I really feel like that's maybe just like my spirit and my energy not meshing with certain people. Because sometimes I get around some people and it's like energy's flowing. It's so easy to talk to them, like boom, like we just mesh, you know, we're here. Because like I have no problem going up and talking to new people. I have no problem like starting a conversation with people. I have no problem, you know. But like sometimes I've known people for a really long time and I'm around them all the time, but for some reason whenever I get around them I can't find the words to hold a productive conversation or just like a conversation that flows in general. And I feel like that's basically just because my energy and their energy doesn't vibe. I'm not shy, we don't vibe, you know what I mean? And not in like a rude way, like I'm not talking to you because we don't vibe, but just like I can't find the words to say what I want to say. Or maybe that's a confidence problem, or like maybe I am shy and I'm just good at hiding it. You seem very serious, but you know how to have fun. For the most part, if you know me in real life, you know that I'm real chipper, okay? I'm real goofy, real Kenzey. Like I don't know how else to put it. I'm definitely not like an always stern, serious person. Definitely more so a chill, easy to get along with person. Why am I blurry? Fight! Do you want to fight? Another assumption. Oh my god. You went MIA last year for a bit because you found a man. Me? Found a man? Hell nah. I'm gonna just go ahead and insert this clip from like 2 videos ago. I'm still single. It's about more single than ever, okay? I'm single as hell, okay? It's also been brought to my attention that I'm doomed because dating in 2019, bitch? I assume that you're low-key an anime fan. And you know what's crazy about that? Is I see a lot of people interested in anime, but like, I'll be honest, I'm not. But it's not anything personal against anime necessarily. It's like, I'm not a big TV watching person in general. My sister gets mad at me all the time because I'm not a big movie person. And I think I attribute that to the fact that my memory is so trash that I never remember anything. So like, I just feel like it's a waste of time for me to sit down and let's say like watch a movie. Cause I know that in a week, I'm not gonna remember shit about the movie. Someone said, I've always assumed that you're single. Ouch. Right here. It hit me real hard right here when you said that. I mean, yeah, you're not wrong, but damn, that hurt. You've been through a lot emotionally and are focusing on yourself right now. You're absolutely right. I am focusing on myself right now. I'm not pressed for love. Like as much as I kid about, you know, oh, I need a man, blah, 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 I'm single. I'm most definitely chilling. I read this thing. You guys may have seen it on social media floating around. It basically said like, love is like something that you misplaced. Let's say you lost your keys, okay? Have you ever lost something and you're looking for it so hard? Like you're looking up and down for it and you cannot find whatever it is that you're looking for. And then the moment that you stop looking for it is when you find it and you're like, wow. I feel like that's what they say love is like. So the harder you go searching for love, the harder it is to find. But the moment you stop looking for it and you just vibe and you just forget about it and you focus on yourself and you just, you know, do you, that's the moment when love will meet you. So I try to take that advice, and it's going on 3 years, 4 years. I don't know, I've been single for a minute now. I'm also not where I want to be in my life, and I'm not who I want to be in my life, and I want to be the person that I need to be for whoever it is that is for me. You know what I mean? I'm just focusing on myself. I'm not pressed. Just not pressed. Aww. This is a sad one because, again, if you watched not my last video, but the video before that one, then you'll know why this is kind of like a touchy subject or whatever. But someone said, I assume that you have no pets. You're right-ish. As some of you may or may not know, my best friend, he was a pocket puggle. That sounds real sad to say. My best friend was my dog. He passed away a few months back. He got really sick out of nowhere, and yeah, so no, I don't technically have any of my own pets anymore, but I currently live with my sister, and my sister just got a French bulldog. So no, like I said, I don't have any pets, but yes-ish, because I live in the house with the pet. So my camera died, but I'm back, and I just went ahead and finished up my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and answer this last assumption. I feel bad because my camera cut out right as I was answering the question, but it basically says, you've never been to where your dad's from. Nigeria. Much love from Nigeria, and thank you so much. Much love to you, and I am so jealous because you're absolutely right. I've never been to Nigeria, so the fact that you live there I think is so awesome. And like I said, you're absolutely correct. Never been to Nigeria, and to be honest, I literally just found out that I was of Nigerian descent a couple years back. So my dad, he's actually never been to Nigeria either. My dad was actually born and raised in Las Vegas, so I don't know at what point we migrated over here to America. I'm definitely not like in touch with the culture at all, like by any means. Like I said, I literally just found out that I was of Nigerian descent, so I would love nothing more than to travel there one day and learn more about the culture and just like get in touch with my roots and like just fully indulge on that aspect of myself. Alright, so that's pretty much all of the assumptions that I can get to during this video. I apologize for my camera dying. Like, that's just rude. I wish I could have got some more of the assumptions. I love doing this kind of video even though I got like ADD and I'm all over the place. It's so hard for me to multitask, but I hope it wasn't too crazy and hard to follow for you guys. If you did enjoy the video and you want to see more content like this, definitely be sure to give it a giant thumbs up, and of course comment down below. If you aren't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification, that way you never miss a post. And as always, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.